Let's take this video over here, of those two boys running. Let's say you've shot this video, but the audio is not good. Or the audio is good, but you don't want the video. You could separate the audio from the video. To do that, select the video, right pressing on it, and going to Unlink. Now you've got two separate layers. So this is also what you can use if your audio isn't in sync with your video. Let's say the audio starts too early compared to the video. So just unlink them and just place the audio a few seconds later. But let's just remove the audio of this clip. Right clicking on the audio track and then pressing Ripple Delete. Another way of doing this is by selecting the layer and then pressing Delete on your keyboard. And if you want to relink the footage again, just select both clips by dragging a box over both of them or holding Shift while pressing both layers. Then just right click and instead of the option Unlink, now you can press Link.